Hi, this is the CAD-CAM Lessons channel, and this video will not be a tutorial on the basics of 3D modeling in FreeCAD, but it may contain some fairly important information for people who sometimes encounter problems while doing 3D modeling in this system. FreeCAD is software developed under open source principles. It is software developed by a community of users, and it is completely free software, and there is no corporation behind it. The users simply develop this software, and that has its advantages and disadvantages. One of the disadvantages may be that there is no dedicated support department here, which is something often found with commercial software. When we buy a license, very often that license includes some period of support, either from the software supplier or from the software manufacturer. And on the paper, this usually looks good, but in reality, it can vary. Sometimes we receive support very quickly, and sometimes we have to wait several days or even more than a week. Of course, this also depends on the software, the package we buy, and so on and so on, so there is no rule here. And when it comes to FreeCAD, we simply don't have this kind of dedicated support department, but in my opinion, we have something equally good because we have support from the user community. We are not dependent on a specific company that provides the software. We simply have access to the knowledge of both the developers who work on developing the software and the users who are very often genuinely advanced users of this program. And FreeCAD has its own forum where we can get help. And to go to the forum, we can do it from the FreeCAD homepage. We go here to freecad.org, and here from the community tab we select forum, and here we have the FreeCAD forum. Of course, we can also go directly to this forum, and here we can ask questions. If we have some problem with FreeCAD, if something doesn't work or we don't know how to do something in FreeCAD, then by asking a question on the forum, there is a high probability that you will receive an answer. And in many cases, this may work better than dedicated support for commercial software. Of course, when it comes to commercial support, which we pay for in the case of commercial software, we can have certain expectations because by purchasing this kind of support, we have a certain scope of support, and we can require that what we are paying for is actually provided. Here in the case of FreeCAD, we don't pay for it. This support is completely free, but in my opinion, we should not have expectations. Here, if someone replies to us, if someone wants to help us, they do it voluntarily and it is not their job. But the fact that this support is free doesn't mean that it is worse. Very often when users have some problems and I look at the responses, I'm really amazed by how quickly people reply and by the quality of those replies. Sometimes difficult questions come up and the answer is surprisingly quick and specific. So if you ever have a problem with FreeCAD, if you don't know how to do something in FreeCAD, then in my opinion the FreeCAD forum is the best place to ask and get help. Additionally, on the forum you can also follow the development of this software, so I really encourage you to visit the FreeCAD forum. And that will be all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel.